everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing for April 2021, and we'll just get right into this. I'm not opening it though. Got some scissors. Starting to be a little more prepared, just a little bit. Okay, so I'm just opening it. If you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. This is the base box. It is $25 a month, and you get over, I think it's like $120 worth of products. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so the theme this month is Boxycharm Sweet Treats. Really pretty. I don't want to see what's on the card yet because I don't know what's in here. Okay, so first thing that's in the box is this, I don't know what this is right here. This is Natasha Denona. And it's Ayana. I think that's how you say that. A-Y-A-N-A. Ooh, look at that palette. That is like really, really pretty. It's very neutral. Let's go ahead and swatch a few of these colors real quick. So you can see that. It's really pretty. So you can see really pigmented, really pretty. I'm going to try this rose gold shimmery shade. Let's put that one right here. Ooh, that is beautiful. That's like got J-Lo glow all over it. Try this other matte, this would actually be a really good transition shade. That's really pretty. They are like a little like chalky, but really well pigmented. They just like, the lightest touch will pick up a ton of product. They are very, very, very good quality. I cannot wait to do a look with this for you guys. So if you guys want to see me create a look with this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified when I do upload that video. But I will be trying this out and I can't wait. And this retails for $48. That is insane. But like I said, look how pigmented. Super high quality. I absolutely love this palette. Girl, $48. So that was super exciting to get that in the box. So the next thing that's in the box is this thing right here. And this is a vitamin C mask. Let's go ahead and open her up. And this retails for $36. Pretty good. You can see, I'm not going to open it up. I have a lot of mask and skincare that I'm using right now, so I'm going to save this for later. But pretty cool, $36 skincare. You can't beat that. Next thing that's in the box is this thing right here. This is Kinder Glow. So this is a highlight palette. Let's go ahead and open it. I love highlight. I think this may have been a choice. I think I did remember getting a highlight palette. No, it was not one of the choices. So this is what this palette looks like. I don't know that I'm going to use this. I may end up just giving this away because I just have so much stuff in, I don't know. Let me go ahead and swatch. So this is the shade right here. I just have so much different stuff. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to try this hand. This yellow shade. That one's like got like really thick glitter, so I'd probably never wear that one. Let's try this one. That one's pretty. That one's pretty. And there's this one. I don't know. I mean, they're really pretty. Like especially it's about to be summertime. I don't know. I may keep it. I'm not sure yet. I'm still iffy about this. And this retails for $15, which that's a really good price for something like this. Like, I'm not really wowed by it. I just have so much stuff like this that it's just like, I mean, I'm not complaining at all. I'll probably end up using this. I don't know yet. I just have so much makeup. But if I was like, didn't have much makeup and I seen this, I'd be like, yeah, but I've been a charmer for so long. I got like Becca and all the good stuff that it's just like, I really don't need anything else. So the next thing that's in the box is this right here. Okay, there should be 5 things. And it is a tinted moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. And it retails for, where's Studio Makeup? For $35. So it comes with a pump. I do like the packaging on this. It's really simple. And I love the little tubes to where you can really squeeze everything out. So that's not bad. So $36 for this and $35 for this. So that's pretty good. What, that's 70, yeah, 60, $71 on skincare alone in this month's box. And I paid $25. That's pretty cool. Okay, so the last thing that's in the box is this thing over here. It is by Illuminati Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss is what it says. And it retails for $21. So it's just a lip gloss. Let me go ahead and put this on. So that's what that looks like. Really pretty. I really like this. And like I said, that retails for $21. Let me go ahead and calculate how much everything was worth in this month's box. If I can find the dimensions and everything, I'll put that in the comments down below. They haven't been doing like a variation number anymore. It's just been like, this is C204044/B8. So the total value of this month's box was $155. I only paid $25. That's amazing. Once again, very happy. It's probably not one of the best boxes that I've had this year, but it's not bad. Like, I love skincare. I would say that these are probably my second favorite, but my first favorite is definitely this. These two, I mean, it's pretty. I have a lot of lip glosses. I have a lot of highlights, so it's not like one of my favorite things, but I am really pleased with everything else. It's not like anything was bad. It's just I have so much of it that it's not something that I'm like, oh, I love. But I do love this palette, and I can't wait to try this out. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. That being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, God bless.